Welcome back to Realm Staff Team Orientation. I am Jack Manzotti, Developer and Head of Technical Services here at the Realm Staff Team. This is the last video in our orientation series on the 3 pillars of the Roman Staff Team, and that would be about data. The Roman Staff Team contains a data management team that looks at reports that are created by in-game moderators and then makes decisions on a user's data based on those reports. Now we're going to head on over to the game to look at what this might look like in the game. So at this point in our orientation, we should be familiar with the in-game portal. If we are not, we should revisit the first orientation video that was created over the in-game moderation. We're going to go ahead and click it, and we're going to see all our multiple options on the left. In this video, we're focusing on the data viewer. We're going to read all notes, as we always should. For the time being, this option is only available for players who are in-game. Please ensure that your target is correct to refrain from sending multiple data requests in bulk, as this is a developer-provided automated tool. In short, you should use the tool responsibly, you should not spam it, and you can only send data requests for individuals who are in the game. As is true for most inputs on the in-game portal, as I start typing a name, we're going to see it pop up. So I'm intending to type my name, and I'm going to press enter when I see it pop up. It's going to autofill, and it's going to bring up a new screen that says Cached User Data Report, Jack Manzotti. It's going to list the user's ID, first joined January 9th, 2018. The data report, as it might suggest, shows the key inputs of the user's data. So these will include the inventory, materials, and the bank. The bank section includes their deposited amounts, their materials, which includes leather, silver, iron, copper, denarii, oak, and gold. And the inventory, of course, is going to include all the items that are in the user's inventory. Now, if I see that this user has 1 billion denarii and it's very possible that they might be in violation of our economic exploiting rule, I'm going to click Report Discrepancy. In here, I'm going to continue to read all notes. All reports are read by developers. Please explain as well as you can and expect a follow-up from a developer. Things have changed a little bit since the development of this tool. Essentially, replace the word developer with data management team member. As staff teams able to take that action more now rather than just developers, which makes things a lot easier. So, as it suggests, I'm going to explain the data discrepancy and the requested data management team member action. So I might say something very short, summarized, sweet, to the point. I don't want a whole paragraph in here. So I might say, this user has a lot of denarii, possibly economic exploiting violation. And that's about as good as it gets. That's perfectly fine. This is a very valid report and something we can go ahead and send in. So once I'm done typing this out, I'm going to press submit. Press submit. It's going to say data discrepancy report sent. And now we're going to head on over to the staff Discord. And in the data reports channel, there's going to be a new pop-up that just basically summarizes everything I put in my report. So it's going to include that I'm the one who sent it, the person I sent it on, and the summary I included in my report. Now, this channel is going to be looked at by a data management team member, and they're going to go ahead and analyze and investigate your report and make a decision from there on the user's data and what action should be taken. If you have any questions, please forward them to your administrator and follow the chain of command from there.